Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Makeup It Time with Julia. My name is Julia. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are not, welcome back. So in today's video we have this palette here from Primark. So it's double take eye and face palette from Primark. And look at what we've got here. This one is like this very one here, for example, I'm sure is a blush because they said it's face and eye palette. So this, all this will be blush, this will be bronzer, this will be, these two will be highlighter, while this one will be blush. So I'm just gonna quickly swatch them for you. There, these are all the shades. If you open this other side, this is what you have. But what I notice is all shimmers, all shimmers. These are all the shades. Okay, these are all the shades. Don't even know which right way I should be holding my palette whenever I'm doing video. Let's just dive into it. But because it hasn't really got you know, matte on it, I will try and use this other one as well. I'll combine this one with that one to get some matte going on, because this very one here have more matte than shimmer. This one only have just 4-5 shimmers. The rest is just matte. So if I want to do like a smoking eye or something, you know, I can reach for all this, because it's also from Primark. That one is from Primark. That's why personally, you know, went for this, just to combine them together, which they're gonna, I'm sure they're gonna work well, otherwise they will be sold. So this palette, for example, is a dupe. It's definitely a dupe. We just shade this for here. So we put some here and we put some here. Oh, that's too much on this side. Oh, never mind. Okay, at this point again, our hand mirror will become very handy. By the way, guys, I hope you're doing well. I'll start with this. Now we start with this very palette here. I'm just gonna go in with this shade here. This one is just a nude palette anyway, so I'm just gonna go in with this shade here. Just gonna pack this up here. Right, that's we done. I'm not going to change my brush. There is no point. I'll just, you know, clean it up a bit just to wipe excess thingy off. So I'm just going to go in now with this shade just to lighten that. All right, that's me done with that. I'm going to go in now with this darker shade here. I'm just gonna place it here. Let's see how it goes. yeah, for now. So it looks like I'm done with this palette. I might come back to this palette again, maybe to blend everything together. Granite, this very one here on my lid. There is a hand mirror here, so I might block you at some point, so pardon me if I do. Holy moly. Hello, Shimas. I'm gonna take another brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. So I'll just kind of, sweep this together. With this other palette here, just gonna take this shade here. We need this area to be very sharp now. So we're just gonna take this shade here. I'm just gonna do up here, kind of cleaning that excess shimmer, I'll say. This area here, I'm gonna apply this shade here. That's it. Then I might as well just use this very one on my inner corner. Yeah, I really like it on the inner corner. It's absolutely stunning. Voila. I'm gonna use this Massimo eyeliner for my waterline. Right, now that we've done that, I'm just gonna do my concealer and blush and other stuff off camera. I will see you in 5. Right, here we are now. We use this for our blush. Very catchy. For highlighter, although I have applied a bit of Gold Digger, which is from Primark again. This very one here, also from Primark, but I'm still tempted, still want to apply, just mix these two together. So let's just see how it goes. Oh, wow. The highlighter is very pigmented, so you don't need much. You need to be very careful. Yeah, definitely. Go back in with this palette now. So I'll use this shade here just to diffuse this area. It's not gonna be showing much because it just blends to my skin. Yeah, that's enough. All right, that's we done. Do this one now. And this is the lipstick I use. Where is it? Use this lipstick from Revolution. Then I apply this on top because it's matte. So I'm just gonna spray now, and I'm using again Revolution. I'm loving this lately. Oh, that feeling. Oh, I'm not gonna do too much. Just want it to kind of melt all that powder into my skin, you know. Check me out with Primark eyeshadow palette again. Their foundation, their palette is just, I don't know what Primark are doing, to be honest with you. Here we go again, another successful video using Primark eyeshadow palette, which is this one. Like I showed you before, it's a dupe from Urban Decay. Here we go. I showed you this earlier on, and when you turn it around, you have this very one. What can I say? Primark, what can I say? I actually love the look. I like how everything just, it's not too, you know, like color everywhere, but it just, I just like it, just perfect. Yeah, for my eyelashes today I use Jackie. This is Jackie here. Don't know which way now. Yeah, this Jackie I use. Jackie shadow palette is absolutely gorgeous. For about £4, I got it £4 from Primark. Yeah, if you want to check it out, just go to Primark and get your eyeshadow palette from there. Everything you need is just there. The eyeshadow is there. Like I said earlier on, although I combine that one with this one just to get more matte base, so that's why I choose to use this very one, you know. So everything is just, I like the look, to be honest with you. I like it myself. I like getting my hands on a cheap eyeshadow palette like this, or a cheap foundation that can actually give you something reasonable, something expensive eyeshadow palette will also give you, and it just, the shimmer, it just melt to your skin. It's really good. I like it, you know. Yeah, that's it for today now. So like this video, subscribe to our channel, share this video, kill that notification bell, so whenever I upload video or my weekly upload, you won't miss out my next video. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram. We are Makeup It Time with Julia Instagram. We also have Facebook page, and if you want to go and check out Jackie, you see now, be using the rest Jackie now, so you see how Jackie look on me, even with my hooded eyes. Look at how gorgeous she is. There you go. If you want to go and check out Jackie, just go on www.makeupitime.com. All of them are currently available on our website, so you can go and get yours. Do not miss out, because the girls are on fire. They are on fire, so you go and get yours before all gone. All right guys, so I will see you on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.